Aloha, Pearl. Wonderful meeting you today. So very glad that you're coming in for music lessons. I'm sure that we're going to have a great rapport and there's going to be a lot of learning. As I stated here, you're not going to be able to understand everything in one session. That would be silly. I just try to see how much stuff we could throw at the wall and what sticks. Part of the music foundation is having vocabulary or terminology to be able to define or to describe what you're doing. So we're just going to start with the basics so it's in your video, and then you can, do leaps and bounds from there. When we play, it's great to know where middle C is. Now, middle C will be the first ledger line underneath the treble clef. The treble clef is also called the G clef. When we play C major has a relative minor. That relative minor is when we go down a minor third. You can also go up a major six. These numbers of which I'm talking about are correlating to our chromatic scale. When we play a C to a C sharp, then to a D, then to a D sharp, and E, the E sharp is an F. F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and B sharp is a C, just like E sharp is an F. In a C major scale, we are playing all the notes that are white keys. When we play harmonies, we are giving our key dyads. Two notes played together are called harmonies or dyads. When we play them in groupings of three, meaning a harmony plus a harmony, or a major third, being that this is a minor second, the smallest interval. When we add another minor second, we get a major second. A major second plus a minor second are 3 minor seconds equals a minor third. And then finally, when we get our C to E, we are adding 4 minor seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. The combination of that is a major second plus a minor second. Major, major, minor, major, perfect fourth, augmented fourth, perfect fifth, augmented fifth or minor sixth, major sixth, minor seven, major seven, octave. When we play a chord like a triad, it has 3 notes. These are what all chords are, regardless if the C note is on the bottom or not. These are called inversions. If we work our inversions all the way up, we get something called an arpeggio. It's often quite fun to play octaves on our C2 and our C3, and then starting with our C4, play harmonies by working them up and down. What you're seeing is a major third, minor third, perfect fourth, and then it repeats the process. The key of C major has no sharps and flats, meaning just like all keys that start with a white key, we start with a 1, 2, 3 under, and then go from there, adding the sharps and flats for each responsible key. The only key that does not start with the thumb and do a crossover, or a cross under rather, on the third beat, is the key of F major. Every other key that starts with a white key does a 1, 2, 3 under, except for F major. It does 4 fingers, then under. When you go down, you cross over with your ring finger rather than your middle finger, and you have 3 fingers to complete. This is true for all keys that start in the white keys. When we play C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and C major, each one of the sonorities or the names of the chords represented by the dyad gives it its major or minor feel. What I would love for you to do this week is to play your C major scale legato, and staccato. Don't forget the lifts. And remember, the left hand does 5 fingers up and then cross over. It's the opposite of what the right hand does. When doing this, try to play your C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and then try doing harmonies. Right? You can also do it with this hand, doing harmonies down while doing a scale. Does not matter how you practice these, we want you to write your own ideas. That's the whole point of knowing how to play C to F. And then that is how melodies are developed. Find time to do chord exploration and start naming. But the truth is, a lot of these chords can be named multiple different names. And what we're really shooting for is to see something called tertiary harmony. So we can distinguish between what a major, what a minor, a diminished, and then an augmented. Between those 4 states of being, those are all the chords in music. Then we add on extension notes and it gets lots of fun with melodies. Our takeaway today: play through your C major scale, staccato and legato, finding the notes of C major and naming them by name. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, C. If you could go forwards and backwards naming them, that is amazing. Know that when you go up a major 6 to A or down a minor 3rd to A, you get its relative minor. It is played the exact same way that C major is played, and it has the same notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And then finally, pick maybe like your C to keep droning on and have fun with your key of C major. Have fun playing in the key of C major. Let's see what you come up with this week. And then I'm very much looking forward to seeing you soon. I'll also send you a video which goes to the playlists of the Circle of Fifths. It would behoove you to start drawing the Circle of Fifths every day. It's a nice meeting. We'll see you soon. Aloha.